Hey there, welcome back. My name is Katie. If you're new to my channel, this is Louisiana Cooking and Living, and today we're doing something very exciting. My daughter is getting married in 1 week, and I am taking care of all the food and the cake and the decorations and the flowers and everything. So today we have to do some shopping, and I always love grocery hauls, and so I thought I'd take you not along while I'm at the store, but we're going to do a grocery haul. We're going to go to Walmart first, we're going to go to Costco, and I'll kind of tell you what we're planning on making with our ingredients. We've actually already made some of them and put them in the freezer, and we'll talk about that all when we get to it. So I got my grocery list front and back, Walmart and Costco, and we are headed to the store. So I'll see you back when we get home. Okay, so this is just my Walmart groceries I got today. We're going to go to Costco later after I get all this put away, and we'll go through our Costco items also. And as we go through these items, I'm going to let you know what I'm going to be making with them. And there are going to be some associated videos on the things I'll be making for the wedding reception. So hopefully you'll look forward to seeing those. Those videos will actually come out before this haul because I don't want to let it out on the things I'm making. So I will link those in the cards above so that you could click on those easily and find those recipes. Some of these I've made in the past, and even the meatball recipe that I'm going to be doing, that's already been out. And so let's just go through our items and see what we got. So the first thing we have here is some fresh lemons. My daughter is having a 3-tiered wedding cake, and the bottom layer is going to actually be chocolate. So I have my chocolate pudding that's going to be going in that layer there. Some of the items, of course, I've already purchased. I've been trying to buy here and there and not have to do a huge amount all at the end here. So, but we'll kind of go through that chocolate cake recipe together at some point. It may not be when I actually make her wedding cake because that will be crunch time, but I do make this chocolate cake recipe pretty often, and I've actually made it for numerous grooms cakes before. So we will get to that recipe at some point. It may not be in the next few weeks. So she's having a 3-tiered wedding cake. The bottom layer is going to be chocolate. The middle layer is lemon, and I've already done that one for you, and I will link that up here. When I had my 100th video release, it was a lemon pound cake with strawberry, I think, between the layers. I'll link it above, but that's the lemon recipe I'm going to be using. And then her top layer is going to be a wedding cake flavor cake with a raspberry preserve filling, and we will do the raspberry preserves together because those are also going to be our wedding favors. It's going to be his favorite and her favorite, and that's why I have the mason jars here, these little 4-ounce. I've been collecting these are the ones I bought today, but I've been collecting these over the last couple of months to make sure I have enough so I wasn't buying them all at one time. So her favorite is the raspberry preserves and his favorite is the grape jelly. So we will do a video, and I will link that above, of the jelly recipes. And I'm kind of getting out of order here. So one of the other recipes we're doing is a Monte Cristo pinwheel. If you've ever been to Bennigan's back in the 80s, 90s, they had a Monte Cristo sandwich, and that was my husband's favorite. It's a ham and turkey and Swiss. It's a sandwich that's fried in a batter, has powdered sugar on it, and you dip it in the raspberry preserves. So we're going to be making a variation of that. It's going to be a pinwheel, and we will be doing a video of that. And so I have my ham and my turkey and my Swiss for that. And yeah, so I just got deli meat here of ham and turkey, and then the ultra thin Swiss cheese for that. The morning of the wedding, the girls are going to be getting ready at my house. So we're going to have like a little brunch. So I got some pumpkin spice creamer, some hazelnut creamer, and some French vanilla creamer. And I've been purchasing the raspberries for the preserves. Like I said, I've been trying to buy here and there, but I was short some raspberries. So I got some frozen raspberries here for the preserves. We're doing 2 pasta dishes, and one of them is my crawfish boil pasta, which I've done for you in the past. I did it back in March or April when it was crawfish boil season. And I just needed some smoked sausage here to put in there. This is Kaneka smoked sausage. We're going to be using that in the crawfish boil pasta, but I will leave the link to that recipe above. I have crawfish in the freezer, so I just needed the sausage. we are going to be making, let's see, the pinwheels will be using the puff pastry here. So I got some frozen puff pastry. I'm going to be doing a pulled pork barbecue bite that's going to be in crescent dough. And so that's what this is for. I may be saying that backwards. I think maybe the Monte Cristos are in the crescent dough and the pulled pork is in the puffed pastry, but we'll be making those together in a video for you guys. Orange juice, is going to need orange juice in my house. We like the pulp free. Some cereal because we don't have any cereal. We went over this ink because I'm printing a lot of things for the wedding. I needed some gum for my purse. Because I'm doing everything by myself. Well, not by myself. I have lots of helpers. But we are doing everything with all my helpers. We don't have a wedding coordinator. We don't have a caterer, a baker, anything. We have a photographer and somebody that's doing our makeup and hair. But we're having the wedding at church, the reception's at church, and I have so many friends from church that are helping me. So I've purchased some of the gifts here along the way, but Walmart had these little $5, they're in a glass jar, wood wick candles. They smelled really good, so I got these to add to our little gifts. And some cake mixes I needed. I needed a basket too. One of the fun things we're doing, because we are doing this at church, we can't throw rice, or we thought about doing the sparklers for the send-off. We're not doing that. So what we thought about doing was having, well, I thought one of them was unwrapped. There it is. Okay, little wedding bells. So I needed a basket to put all of our wedding bells in. And as I was researching like a little sign to put up, to print up, to put with these, I found that wedding bell send-off is a very Irish thing to do. And my family is Irish, so that was perfect. Something else I have here is the silicone molds. What I'm going to do, one's heart shape and one of them is, I don't know, just a little fluted shape, is I'm going to be making butter in little molds to go on the tables for their bread. So this is what we got from Walmart. I'm going to get this put away. We will run to Costco and we'll come back and show you what we got from Costco. I totally skipped over the Sprite here. So the punch we're having is white grape juice that you freeze in a mold with whatever fruit you choose. We're doing strawberries and blueberries. And then you pour Sprite and you chill the Sprite, put it in the punch bowl, put the frozen white grape juice in there with that. And that is the punch we were doing. I've been purchasing this all along. I just needed 2 more today. So that's what I got that. I think that was everything on the table. All right, we're going to head to Costco. Okay, so here is our Costco haul. This isn't everything we're going to need for our reception. Things I'll be getting later in the week would be like fruit, and we're going to be doing a big Caesar salad. So the lettuce we'll be getting later, but this is what I went on and was able to get today. So we're doing a couple different dips. One of them, my cowboy candy. I have shown this recipe on here before. We're doing that over some smoked cream cheese. So I have 2 different kind of crackers here. And we're also doing a crab meat dip that somebody's actually made that for me, so I didn't have to do that one. Ziplocs. Hopefully we'll not have any leftover food, but if we do, we need Ziplocs to put all that food in. Like I said, we're doing a chocolate cake with some chocolate icing, and so I needed some cocoa powder and sugar. Always need some sugar. Kind of what we're going to do with the chocolate cake, though, I will be making a chocolate buttercream filling for it, and probably do a crumb coat and chocolate icing, but then I'll do a white buttercream, just a regular buttercream for the final product. Always need sour cream for my cakes, butter for the icing. I'm doing a caprese skewer, so I got some mozzarella pearls, and I will getting fresh basil and fresh cherry tomatoes closer to the end of the week. Lots of whipping cream for our icing and for one of the pastas, and milk. I showed you the other day that this whipping cream is so super thick that we get from Costco. So I'm going to cut it a little bit with some milk. Need some Parmesan cheese for our Caesar salad, and cream cheese for that cream cheese dip that I was talking about. And then these pork loins, my husband is going to be smoking these with a maple garlic glaze on them. So that would be We actually did a test run on that recipe. And it was very good. So that's what we've got at Costco. So I really enjoy watching grocery hauls, and so I hope you've enjoyed this. And then all the recipes will be going along with these things that we have purchased today. And we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. So this is our wedding reception food, and these are the meatballs I was telling you about. And this is the pulled pork puff pastry bites. And then here we have those Monte Cristo pinwheels with the raspberry preserves. We did a caprese salad on skewers and a fruit tray that my aunt made for me. And then this was the cowboy candy and pepper jelly over cream cheese. And this was crab mornay dip, which is a southern recipe. And then, of course, crackers to go with the dip and the cream cheese and crackers. And then our next is the main course. We had a grilled chicken vodka sauce pasta right here. And then we'll leave this one linked above. This was the crawfish boil pasta that I've made for you in the past. And next was a maple garlic glazed pork tenderloin. It was supposed to be smoked. We had technical difficulties. It went in the oven. Still turned out wonderful, though. And, of course, just some rolls and butter and Caesar salad. And then next here is that wedding cake, the chocolate, lemon, and then the wedding cake flavored.